Hello and welcome to HostedFTP tutorials. Today's tutorial is going to cover the send and receive files features and how to use them with your use case. Let's begin. Once you log into your admin account, you'll automatically start in the Home tab. Here, you'll find the Send button located on the right-hand menu, the Receive File button just underneath, and your mail events located in the center panel. The Send feature allows you to send up to 2 GB of files to multiple recipients simultaneously. The To button will allow you to select users or contacts already listed in your account, or you can specify recipients by adding their name, username, or email in the blank field. New email addresses will automatically be added to your list of contacts. Add a title in the subject field, and next, click the Files button to select files or folders currently in your remote site. Or you can click Choose File to send files from your computer or mobile device. Use the blank field underneath the files to include additional information or messages to your delivery. By enabling the public link, you can allow your recipients to download the files by URL. Send a recipient the URL and they can use it in any web browser to download the files sent. Lastly, you can automatically delete the files sent after a certain number of days by specifying an expiry date. This will remove it from your list of mail events. Note that once a mail event expires, recipients can no longer download the files sent. Click Send to complete the delivery process. Use the Receive File feature to request files from recipients. Just like the Send feature, specify your recipients by choosing from your list of contacts or users, or manually add email addresses into the blank field. Add your title in the subject field and add any additional text in the field below. When receiving files, you can also set a storage quota to limit the size of files a recipient can send to you. New recipients will automatically be added to your list of contacts and are required to create a password and agree to the terms of service. Once they log in, they can use the modified Send feature to send files directly to your mailbox, enabling you to download their files directly to your device. Sent files and received files will appear as mail events, allowing you to make changes if necessary. You can forward the mail event to more recipients while adding notes, reply to mail events and add additional files, messages, and recipients, or view the options to enable or disable the public link and change or remove the expiry date. Lastly, you can manually delete the mail event, removing it from the list, making the files no longer available to you or recipients. Visit www.help.hostedftp.com for additional help, tutorials, articles, and support resources. Use our live chat to talk to a representative, or email support@hostedftp.com for your business inquiries. Thank you so much for watching, and on behalf of everyone here at HostedFTP, we want to thank you for choosing us as your service provider.